Do you want to hide phone number on Facebook? You can make your mobile number private on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide your phone number on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the edit icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down to the Contact Info section. Under Contact Info, find and tap on your phone number. A new screen will open. Now, tap on the Privacy dropdown above your phone number. Select Only Me from the options. Once done, tap the Save button. Now, your phone number will be hidden on your Facebook profile.